Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. If you love budget-friendly gadget with amazing performance, so you are in the right place. Today we have the Zebronics ZEB Pluto 2.0 speaker, a compact yet powerful speaker set. We will unbox it and check out its features, test the sound quality, and finally I will share my honest review. So stay tuned till the end. And if you are new here to our channel, so please do subscribe and click that bell icon. So let's get started. Alright, let's check out the box. On the front, we have a picture of the speaker, branding of the Zebronics 2.0 speaker, and you can see ZEB Pluto. It has specification like output power of 5 watts and net weight of 280 gram, 5 watts of RMS output, USB powered, auxiliary plus input, volume plus minus control. Let's unbox it first. Inside we get the Zebronics Pluto 2.0 speakers, like a 2 satellite units, and that's it. Very simple, neat, and no unnecessary stuff. Talking about the design, the speakers look compact, stylish with glossy front panel and a matte finish on the sides and on the gray color on the front. As you can see, the grills also we get control inline, and we got a USB cable and attached with a auxiliary cable. So guys, what you prefer, sleek compact speaker or a big powerful one? So drop your choice in the comment below. I'm curious to know. Okay, now let's go to specifications and features. So basically, plug this USB power to your laptop or device, the audio jack to your device, and you're ready to go. Now let's do a quick sound test so you can hear it for yourself. First I will play some music.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that are left.
Wow, what an awesome, excellent sound. For this size, the sound is very clear, balanced, and very loud enough for small rooms or personal setups. This obviously there's not much bass, but for casual use, watching movies or online classes or light music, it works well. And now guys, here what I liked and what could be better. This is very compact, lightweight, USB powered, no extra power adapter needed, easy plug and play setup, good quality, clarity for price. But about it cons, and the bass is very good, not super loud for big rooms, but small rooms this is enough. So guys, if you're looking for a budget friendly, easy to use this 2.0 speaker for your laptop or PC, this Zebronics ZEB Pluto is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's unboxing and reviewing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome gadget reviews, and tell me in the comments which speaker should I review next and what features do you like. Thanks for watching.